What's up, you guys? Welcome to another tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be very simple, short, straight to the point. So we're going to be looking at how you can register a domain with hosting giants.co.za. So the first thing that you do is you come to register. You can either click on this one here, or you could just head over to the nav bar and say domains. And from here, you can choose a TLD of your choice. So these, the .com, .co.za, .org, these are called TLDs. So for us, because we are in South Africa, we're going to be looking at the .co.za. So just click on register. All right, then it's going to take you to this screen where it says register a domain. Now here, it's basically just going to be, let's just say for the name of your company, .co.za. So let me just say company name .co, not .com, .co.za, and from here you just click search domain. So it's going to look, it's going to check to see if the domain is available, and if it's not available, it's going to show you a message like this. This domain is unavailable, and then that means that you just have to check for another domain again. So you can just write something random like my name is Bongani. So you just say domain, company name, bongani.co.za. Probably going to find it. And a message like this is going to pop up that says, congratulations, company name, bongani.co.za is available. And you just go and say add this one. So we're going to add it into our cart. Then the next thing we do is we're going to check out. So the domain is 85 Rand per year, not per month. I've been getting a lot of queries, people asking me, do I have to pay 85 Rand per month? No, a domain name is 85 Rand per year, and hosting is 43 Rand per month. So, okay, now it's going to bring you to this domain configuration page. Now in this page you have two options. We have one option again that it's presenting to you. Let's look at this registration period. As I've said, the domain is per year. So the 85 Rand is per year. And then if you say, okay, I want to also host a website using that domain name. I want to host a website. I want to be able to build my WordPress website, my HTML or CSS website, whatever it is that you want to build. I want to build a web app using this domain name. So the first thing that you do with registering this domain, you just probably just click on this one. Nope, I don't have hosting, but I do want to add it. So what you do is you're going to click here, and it's going to redirect you to a package where you get to choose. Okay, I want to build one website because it's a personal website for my own business, or I'm a business, I'm a web developer or web designer, and I want to host different types of websites for my clients. And you just pick on this business one, or you're just starting and you want to pick professional. So this one can host about 10 websites. So for this purpose of this video, we are not going to pick any of these today. So we're just going with the domain registration only, and then we just leave it here. And then here, the name service, leave it at default if you want. But if you are a web designer or web developer and you know more about name service, you can choose a unique web service for this one here. So you're just going to click continue when you're done, and here, review and check out. This is now where you just review everything. Okay, we've registered this domain name, and it's 85 Rand per year, and that's the order summary of the domain. Okay, if you're happy with everything, sometimes we'll be sending you guys the promo code, so that means that it's going to be cheaper than 85 Rand, and there'll probably be a special that we'll be running. So for this one here, we're going to continue, and we're going to say checkout. From this, you come to this page. So this is important as well. Make sure you fill up every little detail. Because if you don't, you're going to have to be fixing things over and over, and you don't want that. So we're just going to say, as I said, Bongani, my name, and last name. There we go, Pala. And email, I'm just going to say info, just a random email, info@email.com. All right. So in terms of email, for your email address, make sure you fill an active email address that you have access to. So most of the time people use their personal email addresses. So make sure you use that email, because a lot of information is going to be sent out to you using that information. Your login details and the packages that you've bought, everything is going to be sent to this email. So make sure you use an email address that works properly. Cell phone number, let's use 061. This is my old number. And then company name, if you have a company name, make sure you fill it up. Otherwise, you don't have to. Just pick a random address here and say Pine, and go Centurion. Street, okay, that one we leave out. City, we are in Pretoria. Then we go to state, Gauteng. Then we go to that one. We'll use that one there. And then scroll all the way down. Now pick a password. Make sure your password is unique, and make sure it's a password that you will remember, because you're going to use the same password when you come up here if you want to go to your client zone, if you want to see what's happening with your account, or if you have any queries, or if there's something wrong. It's important you create this account with an email address that you have active and a password that you can remember. So I'm just going to pick a password that, and oops, let's try that again. All right. And then from here, it's telling you, it's showing you that the total due for today is 85 Rand for the domain, and method of payment. For us, we use Paystack here. That's a payment gateway for hosting giants. And then it brings you here to this code. Please type in the code as is. If it's capital letters, make sure that everything is there. And then S, okay, the S at the end is not going to show, that's fine, but make sure you type it as well. And then say complete order. So let's see if we've typed in everything that's correct. Yay. From here, it's redirecting you to make payment, right? And there's this pop-up here where it's going to require your card number, your card expiry, dates, your CVV number. And from here, you just enter this information. I'm not going to enter it on this video, but for you to continue, enter this information and then click pay. And make sure that you have your phone right next to you, because it's going to require authentication. So you're going to have to authorize payment using your phone. If whatever bank that you're using is going to obviously pick it up, and you have to verify the payment by either entering a PIN and then allowing it to deduct the 85 Rand from your account. That's if you're using card payment. Then on EFT payment, you just click on EFT. Then you click on this green button here that says authenticate. Just waiting for it. It redirects you to the next page. And from here, you have multiple banks that you can choose from. Capitec, Nedbank, FNB. And you just click on either, let's go for Nedbank. And then here, you just enter all the details that are needed, which is just two things. Enter Nedbank username and then enter Nedbank password, and then you're going to say login. Again, it's going to need your authentication. So you're going to have to authenticate the payment and allow the payment to go through. And then from there, you're going to go straight into your email box, email address, and then check out all the emails. There's going to be a welcome message that's going to be sent, packages that you bought, and login details that you have. Make sure you also remember yourself the login details that you have inserted in the registration form as well. And that's it. Simple as that. That's how you can buy a new domain name for your new business. If you have any questions, please comment down below or open a ticket on our system as well, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe as well for new videos that are going to be coming, and we're going to be offering support as well, and also future videos that will be coming. Thank you for watching.